Hey guys, this is Josh. I'm going to make a brief video for you today. This is how to install OpenJDK Java with Homebrew for Mac. Now, some of you have already seen my Portal for Mac, how to get set up videos. This is for those Mac users that maybe like me have an older Mac computer. Mine's a 2013, so I didn't have the correct versions of Java. There's an easy way to do it through the terminal, which again is just your back office to your computer. So all the things that you normally would do, clicking around with your mouse, using applications, that's all front office. Behind the scenes though, your terminal is what runs all those applications. So the terminal is how you're going to open your Portal core and how you're going to close it. So let's get a little familiar with it today, and I'll show you how to install Java here in just a few minutes. So the first thing we're going to do here, and I've got this Word doc open, which I'm going to put inside the description of my video so you can copy and paste and follow along. But this is basically a three-step process to how to get it installed. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open your terminal by pressing Command and Spacebar. That'll open your Spotlight search bar. You'll just type in the words terminal, and then that will populate for you. So here's my terminal. Then the next thing you're going to want to do is copy the URL in step 2 here. And what I'm going to do, is, since I've already got this installed on my computer, is I've gone ahead and pre-run a lot of this stuff for you, so that way you don't have to watch me install. So the first command will be that curl command here. This is just pulling down from the internet, basically the installer for Homebrew. And we are going to, you can use the ls command to make sure that that gets put in the right location. And you can see I've got my installer after I pulled that down from the internet there. Then our next step here in step 2 is to run the bin bash install.sh. That's /bin/bash spacebar install.sh. That installs Homebrew. It may ask you for your password a few times as you go through this process. You can see it asked me here once. This is the password for your computer as if you were going to log in. It won't show you your password, so just be very careful as you enter it because you're not going to see yourself type it into the system. If you enter it incorrectly, it'll ask for it again. If you enter it incorrectly 3 times, you're going to have to start the process over again, but that's okay. So you enter your password, it goes on with the installer. Be patient. This took me about 10 to 15 minutes to run on my computer, so depending on what you've got running in the background, or how fast your machine is, it could take less or more time. Just be patient with it, and you'll see that the installer will prompt you as it goes along the way. You can see here, it will tell you I'm downloading, downloaded, installing, etc. And then here, it asks me for my password again, and you can see actually I wasn't very careful here. I had mistyped it. Just tells me to enter it again. Enter your password for the machine, and it will continue. This is what it looks like as it's downloading and installing Homebrew. Then it'll tell you your installation was successful. That's fantastic. So it prompts us down here. You will see inside your terminal the command line prompt for your machine. Now mine's entitled Omega513, so that's when you know it's absolutely done installing. It'll give you a fresh command line prompt. Here I just double checked that Brew is properly installed, so I typed Brew space -V for version, and it tells me I've got Homebrew 3.0.9 installed on my machine. Then if we follow along with our steps here, third and final step, which is a very simple one, is just type brew install OpenJDK. Again, that's brew space install space OpenJDK. Hit enter or return to enter that command. I actually had OpenJDK already installed in this machine, so it just gave me a warning. I've already got this thing installed. It told me if I want to reinstall it, I could do that, but I didn't want to do that function. And again, after you're done installing Java, just double check you've got the right one. You need at least version 11 to run your Portal core. So you type Java space -version and then enter or return, and it tells me I've got OpenJDK Java version 15. Fantastic. Now, just like we normally would to start our Portal core, you'd be in your terminal. So this is, again, my baseline command here. I haven't gone anywhere. cd Portal, which just stands for change directory to Portal. And then you can see my command line prompt changes a little bit. Now it says Cortal Jomega 513. I check them in the right place with the ls command, make sure that I can see this start shell, which is what the file type .sh stands for, and that's just how you're going to start up your Cortal core. Then you type in the command /start.sh, and you hit enter, and your Cortal core would fire right up. So again, 3 simple, easy steps. Go into your terminal, follow the dialog screen that I've got here for you. I've got a 3-step process laid out. I'll put that in the description of the video. If you get hung up for any reason, you can find me or other people to help you out on Telegram or Discord for Cortal. The links are going to be in the video for you as well. Thanks, guys. Hopefully this quick and easy video gets you off to the right start and get you set up with Cortal Core. Good luck.